How to Facebook hide posts from others without blocking. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to Facebook hide posts from others without blocking. So before we really dive into this, you might want to make sure that your Facebook application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Facebook. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Facebook application is updated. So now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your home page and open the Facebook application. So let's say you are planning to post something and then you want to hide that post to other people, for say to the public, to the people that you don't want to, that you don't know. So let's first create a post. So let's say this one. So here, let's say you want to upload a photo, or if you don't want to upload a photo, let's say you want to just write anything here. And under your name, you will see the friends and the album or something like that. You will see the friends section there. You click on that and you will be directed to your post audience. Now on your post audience, you will see public, friends, and friends except, and you could actually see more there, specific friends or only me. Now since we want to hide our posts from others, it depends on what others you mean. So if you don't want a stranger to see your post, then you could just check the friends. Now if you want to hide the post from specific people or to specific friends, then you click on friends except and type in that friend's name so they won't be able to see your post. Now if you just want to post the picture for the specific friends only, then you can also do that. For example, the you just want to post a picture and you only want your family to see it and others won't be able, or your other friends won't be able to see that. You could also do that. And you could also set it in only me. And then let's say if you keep on posting and you just want to post it from friends except for a specific person, then you can click on that and then set it as a default audience, then click on save. And then as you can see here, the audience option is in only me. So you have successfully changed the audience for your post, and then click on post, and basically you have hidden your post from others without blocking them. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.